Together, we'll ensure you hear now and always. If you choose to self-pay and seek insurance reimbursement on your own, this video is for you. First, let's consider payment options. Multiple options may be available to help you pay out of pocket. You can use a flexible spending account, also known as an FSA. This is a pre-tax savings account through your employer for out-of-pocket medical costs. You may establish an FSA during your employer's insurance open enrollment period, if applicable and available. Please keep in mind that funds do not carry over to the next plan year. If you don't use it, you lose it. A health savings account, or HSA, accommodates recipients with high-deductible health plans. This allows you to put aside a certain amount of tax-free savings for medical expenses not reimbursed by insurance. Savings can be carried over year to year, allowing you to plan for larger or unforeseen medical expenses. Another option is using Care Credit. Care Credit offers interest-free financing plans. If approved, you may receive interest-free financing for up to 24 months to help fund out-of-pocket costs and coinsurance. You can also use your personal funds or reach out to local, state, and national organizations to inquire about assistance with helping to fund your sound processor replacement. You'll want to double-check your insurance plan to confirm that your cochlear technology or procedure is covered by your plan's in-network or out-of-network benefits. You'll call the Member Services phone number on the back of your insurance ID card. If you're calling for a sound processor replacement, provide the HCPCS code to your insurance provider and refer to it only as a replacement sound processor. Replacement sound processors to newer technology are also covered under the Durable Medical Equipment Benefits or Hearing Benefits section of your health plan. If you do not have these benefits, ask your insurance provider if they will consider covering the billing code under your major medical benefits. Ask your insurance provider if prior authorization is required and what the process is to obtain it. Prior authorization can help you determine in advance if a product or service is likely to be covered. If a prior authorization is not required, ask if your health plan will allow you to submit a predetermination of benefits. This will check if your plan provides coverage for the requested product or service. Remember, getting prior authorization or predetermination is a great way to understand your coverage, but is not a guarantee of payment. Next, inquire if your insurance company will process your claim at an in-network benefit level because Cochlear is the sole provider of cochlear products. If not, your healthcare provider must offer you an alternative, such as authorizing an out-of-network provider or supplier to provide covered services. You should also ask your insurance representative about your out-of-pocket expenses and if your policy has a DME or hearing benefit maximum. If your plan does have a maximum limit, you will typically be responsible for any amount over that limit. Finally, ask your insurer how to submit a claim for reimbursement. Now, shop and place your order online or by calling this number. For us to process your order, we may need to reach out to your provider to get a letter of medical necessity or certificate of medical necessity. To track your order, log into your Cochlear Family account, click Manage Your Account, and select Orders. Please allow 1 hour for it to appear in your Cochlear Family account. Once your order has shipped, you'll need to follow your insurance plan's guidelines for reimbursement. While your insurance provider's process to file a claim may vary, here are a few typical steps to follow. Collect documentation such as receipts, letters, and forms, as well as a copy of your insurance provider's claim form. Complete the claim form and make a copy of it along with all your documentation. Wait to hear back from your insurance provider and follow up with member services if needed. Now go places and enjoy life's sounds. We hope you hear now and always. Please keep in mind that if you choose to self-pay for an item generally covered by insurance, you may not be able to submit a claim on your own if Cochlear is contracted with your private insurance provider. Please visit us here to see if we are contracted with your insurance provider. If we are contracted with your insurance provider, we suggest placing your order through Cochlear's reimbursement and insurance services. If you seek reimbursement on your own, you will be solely responsible for any amounts to include contractual or discounted payments that your insurance provider does not cover.